A few weeks ago, I came to our director with this idea about a documentary about Addie Kate Chobeck. He said no. A week ago, he came up to me and he said, guess what we're doing? We're gonna do a documentary about Addie Kate Chobeck. Wish I thought of that.
A lot of people say I look just like this Addie Kate Chobeck girl. I mean, I don't really see it, but that's what they say.
No, they don't.
I love Addie Kate Chobeck. I am her biggest fan. I have all of her merchandise. I have like 20 t-shirts. When they told me they were doing this documentary, I was like, why didn't I think of that? That's such a great idea. I love Addie Kate Chobeck.
Okay. What about like the 21st? Do you think she'd be available then?
Oh no, that's a Saturday. That's when they always have parties. I mean, she's a celebrity. No way, no way.
Okay, so when do you think she'd be available?
Oh, I'd definitely bet on like the 10th or maybe the 18th, but I know the 18th we're starting late. I mean, so probably the 10th. 10th is best.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, you really know a lot about this.
Oh, I heard it through the grapevine, you know.
You know, your handwriting, it looks a lot like Addie's.
You're gonna make me sick. That's...
I bet she's secretly an Addie fan.
Oh my god, you're right.
Copying her handwriting, knowing her dates. You love Addie. All right, now we just have to go find Addie.
Oh, I'm just gonna pop into the bathroom real quick. So.
Oh, okay, that's
The conference room. Okay.
okay. I mean, let's go find her, I guess,
Sure,
right?
Oh my god.
Hey.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Hi.
Addie, we're huge fans, yeah.
Oh, I love to meet a fan.
Can I get your autograph? Oh my god.
Oh yeah, sure. Do you have a piece of paper?
Just send me armor.
Okay. Let me get my pen. If I can find it.
Oh my God, it's too bad Becky's missing this.
I am never watching this again.
Can we like follow you around like on your day?
Oh, sure. Yeah.
Okay, let's go. No, the boom's in the shot. The boom's in the shot.
Okay, I can't believe you guys want to know about a day in my life. I mean, that's so cool. Anyway, yeah, I wake up and I take those early morning selfies because some people say like, no filter, just woke up. And it's like, no, when I say that, I mean it.
She's so hot.
She's a self-centered, selfie-taking beast.
Been in there a while. You think we should check on her?
Yeah, let's. Hey, Addie.
Hey!
Yeah, it looks like some roots are showing through.
Yeah, I know. It's awful. It's ridiculous. My hairdresser needs to do a better job.
Yeah.
All right. Have a wonderful day.
You know, there's something suspicious about this Becky Haddock girl. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna find out. Hey, camera girl Morgan, what are you recording?
Oh, nothing. Just behind the scenes stuff, you know?
Like, Addie Kate Chobeck is like my favorite. I have so many posters of her on my wall. Like, oh my god, I even have her.
Hey, guys.
Hey, you missed Addie.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
You must have been so excited.
That lipstick color is so great on you. I love it.
Were you wearing lipstick before?
Yes, and thank you.
So I've been really, really watching Becky, and I know what it is. I know what her secret is. She's not even a natural blonde.